Working Lab Greenland started in Denmark in the spring of 2010. Since then, there have been performances and events in 6 different towns in Greenland. Maniitsoq was the latest in August of 2011. Working Lab Greenland is a pedagogic method. It is created to encourage debate in local communities about social issues that are difficult to talk about. It has been developed by a group of lecturers from VIA University College's Department of Social Education.
Vi har lavet en forestilling, som gør, at samfundet kan se sig selv i øjnene. Men spørgsmålet er, om de vil se sig selv i øjnene.
Der kommer forældrenes alkoholproblemer ind på en førsteplads, vil jeg sige. Mange børn har i hvert fald i en periode af deres barndom levet med forældre med alkoholproblemer. Og så er der seksuelle overgreb mod børnene. Vi har ikke de præcise tal for det, men det er formentlig en hel del børn, det handler om. Så det er ligesom de 2 store ting, der er at tale om.
Working Lab Greenland uses local social workers who work with disadvantaged children in Greenland. In the project, the social workers are called resource persons. They are meant to be a local resource and role model with special insight into pedagogic methods and the welfare system in Greenland. At first, Working Lab Greenland might look like theatre, but it is in fact a pedagogic tool that uses the dramatic tools of theatre to start a conversation. Working Lab Greenland involves the spectator. It provokes him or her into taking action on the floor as part of the performance. The dramatic content of such a show is the starting point. It is followed by various ways of discussing issues and taboos. Working Lab Greenland consists of 5 separate parts that supplement each other during one evening's performance. The first part is a theatre performance. Here the 7 resource persons play a number of scenes about social problems of disadvantaged children and young people in Greenland. The themes most often evolve around substance abuse, sexual abuse and incest, suicide and domestic violence.
Men der er ikke mange slægtled fra, at man sad ude i bygderne og i landsbyerne langs kysten og genfortalte, kropsliggjorde, nærmest skuespilsagtigt, fortalte Grønlands historie. Så det ligger i en del af deres kultur, eller i hvert fald i deres hverdagsliv. Det der med at dels lejen og fortællingen, altså rollelejen. Det dramatekniske, det spiller godt op i forhold til den, som jeg sagde, den grønlandske, man kan sige, sjæl.
Det som imma karaltaaba punguida. Timatoa timata eqqamaneriusarpaq allaanerugu qallunaani imma taanna eqqaayum eqqaasinnaagiraukkud.
The second part is the so-called forum theatre, a dramatic method where the audience is invited to influence the performance on stage. A scene is played. It is then stopped, and then the audience is asked how they would solve the problem of the scene. The audience can either comment or walk on stage and participate. The third part is the corner exercise. The whole audience is called onto the stage and is presented with a dilemma. They get 3 specific answers and 1 open answer, and then they have to move to one of the 4 corners of the stage according to their answer. They discuss the issue in their groups, and then one of the resource persons interviews some of the participants. The fourth part is roundtable discussions. The resource persons present 3 themes related to the local community, and the groups discuss them. The fifth and final part is a panel debate, where the local authorities, politicians, and social workers are invited to speak and discuss with the audience, which can ask the panel questions. In Maniitsoq, the town's vice mayor and police chief took part alongside a family therapist and the director of an orphanage. Working Lab Greenland started by equipping 7 resource persons with special skills to work with disadvantaged children. Now these 7 have to teach these skills to others so the project can grow and take root on a bigger scale in Greenland.
Så vi vil rigtig gerne udvikle det her projekt til, at det ikke kun er 7, men at der er et sted mellem 25 og 30.
They'll be working in pairs of 2 in each town.
Isumaarpunga siaruattariaqartu una hoorerput uatsinnu qanilaarnermut aamnu kittuusoq taaraam isumaarpunga unissangittumaangaannaq sulerusunnartoruyussuu taamatu misingereerlugu illoqarfilla assingitut tikererlung unikkusunnangittoruyussuu.
The Danish originators from the VIA University College's Department of Social Education will then not need to be involved any longer, as the project will become self-sufficient.
Så til vi hjem, og så håber vi, at folk er blevet bedre til at råbe ud af vinduerne. At de tænker lidt over, at nu skal de næste gang, de ser noget nede på legepladsen, eller ser nogle børn, som løber og leger ude klokken 12:30 om natten, og de skal i skole hver dag, at de åbner vinduerne og råber til dem, de skal gå ind i seng, eller måske endnu bedre, gå ind og banke på med naboen og spørge dem om, hvorfor har de ikke taget deres børn ind i seng.